I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.
Ay, magandang gabi mga ka-bracket. Okay, so meron tayo dito bagong version ng bracket na ginawa para dito sa NK400, no? Yan. So yung kabahan nito guys, yan. Yan na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. So flat bar na siya. Okay, the same time, isang buo na siya. So kung matatandaan ninyo, gumawa tayo ng bracket na tikalas. Okay, then oval shoot siya. Okay, so this time, gumawa naman tayo ng isang buo. So, yung iba kasi medyo nalilito sa installation. So this time, literal na plug and play na talaga siya guys. Then plated na rin, syempre. Plate na yan, plate na yan. Then flat bar siya. Makapal yan guys. Hindi naman siya kabigatan, pero kayang-kaya niya yung saluhin yung tamang puwersa na kailangan mo pag bibit-bit ka ng box. Yan. Ready to fight na yan. So yan, nakabit na natin. Okay, patakin natin. Tingnan natin yung yung test na natin. Tingnan nyo, 3, go! Yan! Oh. Wala, malayo. Yugong. Oh yan, yugong. Oh yan.
All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on a show up and then they shut down. When I always pull up on your block, they make that thing go.
Tapos natin yung bracket. Gabi na naman. Sir. Salamat din. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Ingat sir, ingat. Uwi na rin sila.
Fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.